Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change theme in Arc. In order to change the colors that are used in the browser, what we need to do is simply right click on an empty space and then we have theme option. If you click on it, then you will see we have this square where we can choose a new color. We can also adjust the brightness of the selected color, and we can switch between the dark mode and the light mode. At the bottom we also have some preset colors, so we can choose one of the default colors. Let's actually switch to the white one. There we go. Now keep in mind that if you change the color, it works only for the selected space. So right now I have space 1, and if I change the color, it will apply to space 1. However, if I have more than one space, let's quickly create a new one. Then if you switch between spaces, then you will see that they change color. So the theme is bound to the space. So you can have different spaces with different colors. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.